Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here and you like easy plant-based recipes perfect for the whole family, click that subscribe button. My husband and I have 5 kids with our last baby on the way this October. And we've been vegan almost 4 years now. Now before we went vegan, one of our favorite meals was fried ravioli. So today I'm going to show you guys our easy recipe for making fried vegan ravioli. It's crispy, savory, flavorful, and it's a perfect after-school snack or as an appetizer before a meal. It's also fun to make with our kids. One of the reasons our kids got so excited about going vegan as a family years ago is because we let them create the base for our weekly family menu. That allowed them to fill it up with all their favorite foods. Then we'd get in the kitchen as a family and create vegan versions of all their favorite foods. So hit that like button for keeping veganism fun, easy, and sustainable for the whole family. The full recipe is in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get into the video. You want to start by crumbling up your tofu. Now if you want, you can press your tofu overnight. That way it can really absorb all of the spices and everything, but you really don't have to if you're pressed for time. I choose to use extra firm tofu, 365 organic, that's our favorite tofu. Once you're done crumbling your tofu, you want to go ahead and mix in your garlic hummus. You want to mix it until it all looks like ricotta cheese basically. When you're done mixing that in, you want to add your seasonings. I like oregano, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, and I add a little bit of garbanzo bean liquid to help hold everything together. Then I add in my vegan mozzarella shreds, and once that's all mixed in, you're done with your filling. You can set that to the side so it can get all soaked up and nice and juicy. If you want, you can also add in spinach or you can add in vegan meat. I have a video for how we make our own homemade vegan meat right up above. Up next, we're going to be making the actual pasta dough. To make that, you're going to be needing some flour, some oil, olive oil works best, and garbanzo bean liquid and a little bit of spring water. But you can use any kind of oil that you have on hand. You want to mix everything together in a bowl and then roll it out on a cutting board. What I like to do is put a little bit of plastic wrap on the top and then roll it with my rolling pin so it can get really nice and flat. I just keep doing that over and over and over. Cut the edges so that they're nice and straight, and then I roll it again with the plastic and the rolling pin until it gets to the nice flat size that I want. Next, I decide where exactly I want to cut depending on how many of the ravioli I want to make. Okay, so then you want to start loading up your filling onto your pasta, and then you take the other half and cover it on top. And what you want to do is use a cutter and go ahead and press it down and peel away any extra dough from around it, and then when you pull it out, you have a perfect little ravioli ready to be pressed with a fork all the way around. You do that to all of them till you have a bowl of them ready to go in some boiling hot water. You drop it in the hot water, and then you set up your station for the actual frying in the air fryer. For that, you want to dip it in again some garbanzo bean liquid, which you use like a binder, and then you want to dip it in some flour. You can actually dip it again in some garbanzo bean liquid and then in some panko breadcrumbs. That helps to give it an extra crispiness. And this is the final product. It's crispy, it's crunchy, it's flavorful, it has a nice golden color to it, although you didn't add oil. But if you want to brush on a little bit of olive oil, you can all the way at the end, but you don't need it for the actual frying in the air fryer. And this is our kids enjoying it. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.